In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pin and unpin extensions from the Google Chrome Toolbar tutorial. To begin, look at the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser. Near your profile picture or avatar, you will see the extensions icon. This icon looks like a small puzzle piece. Go ahead and click it. This will open the extensions menu and show you the extensions currently installed in Chrome. Once the menu is open, find the extension you want to manage. Take a moment to scan the list and locate the one you want to pin to the toolbar or remove from it. If you have several extensions installed, it may help to read through the names carefully so you select the correct one. Next to each extension name, you will see a pin icon. To pin the extension, click that pin icon. As soon as you do, the extensions icon will appear in the Chrome toolbar at the top of the browser. This makes it easier to access whenever you need it without opening the extensions menu again. If you later decide you do not want that extension showing on the toolbar, the process is just as easy. Open the extensions menu again by clicking the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner. Find the same extension in the list. Then click the pin icon again to unpin it. When it is unpinned, the icon will disappear from the toolbar, but the extension will still remain available in the extensions menu. That covers everything you need to know.